Boost brick-and-mortar traffic to your shopping mall with Aerodium vertical wind tunnels. Due to the fundamental shift in consumer shopping behavior, savvy developers know that in order to attract new customers, a shopping mall needs to create an experience-oriented environment to drive sales in stores. That's why we designed the R2, the solution to your traffic driving development strategy. We took the plug-and-play concept to the indoor skydiving industry and created the first plug-and-fly wind tunnel. So how does it work? Thanks to its modular design, it is quick and easy to install, allowing seamless integration into a new or existing building with minimal civil works. Unlike any other recirculation wind tunnel, the R2 is a fully self-contained structure. It can be lifted in through the roof or an opening in the wall and be ready for use without the need for heavy construction. With a footprint of just 972 square feet, this is the most compact recirculation wind tunnel in the industry. Bring the wow factor to your shopping mall with a wind tunnel and watch your foot traffic skyrocket. Contact us now. Go to aerodium.technology. Subscribe and discover more wind tunnel solutions.